Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at a vintage miniature golf ball, and this one came from originally Putt-Putt Golf and Games, and this dates back to the um, early to mid 1980s. And this one happens to be the orange ball, and this was actually awarded when you were in play and played a hole in one. So made a shot from the tee into the hole in one stroke. So an example size of putter for comparison. And this, I do believe this is standard golf ball sized, but the material I believe is a lot lighter because this is not intended to be a distance driven ball. So you see here it does have the same kind of divot pattern. And this is the orange ball, which would replace the normal player's ball that would be awarded or loaned out at the beginning of the game. And this one is part of the collection, the orange ball. So I did get a hole in one numerous times actually, but this is the only example of the orange ball that I do have. So something interesting from the 1980s from Putt-Putt Golf and Games, sometimes known just as Putt-Putt Golf, and miniature golf ball, in this case the orange ball, awarded for getting a hole in one. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos as well as a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios or the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.